Radha, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing my wardrobe essentials with you all. These products are super versatile and can be styled in enormous number of ways, and at the same time they are super comfortable and are easily available anywhere and everywhere. I want each and every one of you to have these products because in this world where people are very insecure about repeating their clothes, you can have these pieces so that you can add a statement, and at the same time you can style them in so many ways as I've said earlier, so that people don't even realize that you have repeated your clothes. So these, I want each and every one of you to have as many products as I mentioned in the video as much, because they are going to help you and you're going to thank me later for sure. So yeah guys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, coming to the first thing, it's a basic black and white shirt. It can be turtleneck or it can be puffed sleeves, so it can be literally anything. I'm not talking about a basic cotton white tee or black tee. No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about that nice knit material, or puffy sleeves, or net sleeves. There are enormous number of plain black and white shirts or tops. I want each and every one of you to have one black top and one white top. I actually have a video on a black turtleneck where you can style it in 5 ways for 5 completely different occasions. I'll make sure to link that down in the description box below so that you can check it out. And at the same time, these 2 pieces of clothing, they go with enormous number of jeans, different color, like they go with white, literally black goes with white, even white goes with white. Like I'm absolutely okay if you style like a super funky jacket or anything over it. And at the same time, basic tees, they make you look kind of underdressed, or I don't really prefer wearing plain white or black t-shirts. Rather, like, invest on a product which itself looks super grand or expensive, and at the same time you can style it in enormous number of ways. Coming to the second one is actually the super long shrug. Guys, this is not only like an accessory, but at the same time, no matter what you're wearing, like even if you're wearing a night dress, you can literally put that on, like add some belt, and you can literally go out. And at the same time, it just adds a little spice to your outfit. Mine is like pretty plain, but if you want, you can go for really good bold prints, or more neon colors, or even basic black and white, because it just enhances your look as a whole. Imagine you're wearing like a plain black tee and a black jeans, and just adding that little shrug can add such an element to your entire outfit. And at the same time, it just adds that rich feel. So I want, like, those short shrugs, they are good, but I want you all to go for a little longer one as I've showed you, because that adds such a nice statement and literally changes your look like this. Coming to the third one, how can I even forget this? I love this product, and I love this piece of clothing, and I've mentioned it like n number of times. Of course, it is a high-waisted jegging. I'm saying high-waisted jegging and not high-waisted jeans, because sometimes high-waisted jeans can be a little uncomfortable on our abdomen area, because they're, and even when we sit, they tend to go down, which makes us feel a little uncomfortable at times, whereas jegging, it just fits perfectly everywhere, and they're super comfortable. You can sit however you want. At the same time, they give your body the perfect shape and hugs you in the right place. I feel that I personally prefer it in black, and I have an amazing one. I love ripped jeans basically, so it's like a ripped jegging, so it's like a win-win thing for me. So I want every one of you to have like a high-waisted jegging, only because it is super comfortable. You can wear under everything. I know a lot of people, I personally would prefer legging over jegging, but I know a lot of people are not really comfortable wearing leggings under crop tops, whereas a jegging you can wear under literally anything and everything. Like, jegging is such a lifesaver for me. Coming to the fourth one, continuing in the same topic of bottom wear, I want each and every one of you to have a pair of white palazzos. I'm not talking about the traditional white palazzos. I'm talking about the Indo-Western white palazzos which has a button and a zip to it. That is such a nice and versatile product. Again, you can style it under crop tops, you can style it under kurtis, you can wear a really nice Indian wear on it, you can wear Western wear. Like, it is so versatile, and at the same time it is so comfortable. I know black one can be fine too, but you know, black one cannot be styled under a lot of things, whereas under a white palazzo pant you can style it under literally everything. So yeah, I want every one of you to have a white pair of palazzo pants. Mine is from and it's so good. It is from and it is so good. So coming to the next one, let's talk about accessories. Coming to the first one, it is a belt. Of course, I'm not talking about the regular belt which has buckle in the middle and you can wear it only into your jeans, but I'm talking of a belt which has a really nice pattern in the front, so that it not only serves the purpose of a belt that is not allowing your pant to slide down, but it also makes a statement. You know, imagine wearing like a plain black dress again, or any casual, any cotton dress, or you know, just a nice plain basic shirt and jeans. This thing again adds such a statement. I want like, this is okay. I actually want to invest on a really nice belt, which can be, you can find belt which is more thicker than this one, so that you know, you can actually a belt like this, like with a nice design in the front, I can say that, with a nice design in the front, not only serves for for Western outfits, but also for Indian outfits. You can wear like a really nice kurti, add like a nice overall or a shrug, and then add belt on it. It creates such a nice Indo-Western look. Continuing in the top of accessories, I want each and every one of you to own a pair of hoops. Again, they are like, you know, it need not be like a super huge big pair of hoops. It can be anything, small ones, medium, large, extra large, okay, whatever, because you know, hoops are so in right now. And secondly, I don't know, I feel like hoops suit every single face structure, no matter how small or how big your face is. Hoops go so well. Wear like a pushed back high ponytail and wear like a super huge hoops. It, like, no matter what you wear underneath it, it's going to just go so well. And hoops add such a statement to it. No matter how basic you're wearing, how extravagant you're wearing, hoops still adds its own statement to every outfit you wear. Hoops are like so I'm in love with hoops. Like, I want every one of you to own a pair of hoops. Into the same category again, I want every single person to own like a little dainty, very tender. I don't even know if people use tender for jewelry, but you know, a very dainty neck piece. I love this one. It has my name on it, as you can see. So like, you know, it is like, it actually adds such a signature look. Like, you can just see a piece and you can just say, oh my god, it is like the one that girl is wearing. So you know, firstly, they're super inexpensive. Secondly, they add such a rich look. I'm actually planning to do a video of how to look expensive under budget. So if you want me to do that video, let me know down in the comment section. But let me tell you this point here again. Wearing that little dainty pieces adds such an expensive look to you. I really feel like even though you're not into a lot of accessories, you don't really like wearing big earrings, or you know, you just don't like wearing bracelets or anything like that, adding a little dainty piece, I know a lot of you girls wear gold chains. Personally, I don't like that, but if you want that, add a little small pendant to it, or you know, just something very dainty, very light, very delicate. Yeah, delicate is the word, not tender. Just adds its essence. Now coming to the footwear sections, of course I'm not going to be telling you to own this, that. I'm going to be telling you to own two things. Wear it under anything and everything, literally. The first is a pair of black heels. Of course, I'm not saying you to wear like 3, 4, 5 inches of heels. Let it be anything. Let it be a little, like this much heel. But own a pair of black heels. Let it be in any form, like a shoe, a boot, or anything. Because you know, again, a black pair of heels can be worn under everything. Like, that's Louis. Say hi. Again, a black. I'm not talking about wedges again, please. Wedges, you know, it is okay if you're going for a party and anything, but I heard that when you go for like a formal meeting, an interview or something, like wedges don't give like a really good impression. So take a little heel, a pencil or anything is fine. So yeah, own a pair of black heels. And the second pair of footwear I want everyone to have is like a transparent heels. Let it be heels or even sliders is fine, but a pair of transparent footwear, even though it's not present, it adds a statement. Like you can't really see anything, you can see your foot, but it adds a really good statement, and they literally go with everything again. Like a pair of transparent heels is everything. You can literally feel like Cinderella in them. So yeah, the next thing I want to talk about is huge sunglasses. No matter how in or how out, if that's a thing, how in or how out they are. Like if you haven't slept all night, you have dark circles, like you're not in a mood of getting ready or anything, just add like a red lipstick and huge sunglasses. Oh my god, you're going to look your best. Like a pair of sunglasses with a white tee or a white top and blue jeans, airport look. Like literally a pair of huge sunglasses can rescue you and your face and your mood. You can just hide yourself, be anonymous in them. Come on. So I want every one of you to own one pair of sunglasses and make sure that they're huge, because I don't think huge things and huge sunglasses go out of trend anytime. But even if they are not, you look good in them. Come on. So that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, because that would mean the absolute world to me. And do let me know down in the comment section below if you have any other suggestions. I'll be happy to know that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.